How to cook vegetable. Put your
Kalimutan ko na
slices.
naman yung
Put your
kinchay.
potato.
Kinchay.
This is
Ayun.
casa,
Carrots.
and then
Bagyo beans.
slice. Baggy beans, slice. Then
Singkamas.
slices. Put your singkamas.
Carrots.
Put your
Kamote.
carrots. Kamote.
Cabbage.
And cabbage. And then pork, and then shrimp head and shrimp.
Shrimp head.
Magic garlic,
Magic garlic.
and then pork and shrimp.
Finish. Sesame oil.
Sesame oil and salt and pepper.
Yeah, salt and pepper to taste.
And then
Finish.
soy
Soy
sauce,
sauce.
oyster sauce, and then sugar.
Walang sugar yan. Wala. Not sugar. Not
It's not sugar. Put your mustard oil.
sesame oil.
Put your sesame oil, and then
Diet ka ba nito? Yes or no?
yeah, soy sauce and sesame oil mixed.
Simmer lang natin para medyo lumambot.
Soy sauce
Iba
mixed.
gusto malutong, iba gusto lamog. Sabi.
Tigas.
No. Taste good? Taste good? Matigas pa. Kamote. Tigas pa. Tastes good?
Wow, yes. Finished cooked vegetable. Wow, yes. The finished cooked vegetable. Wow, yes. Finished cooked vegetable. Wow, yes. Finished cooked vegetable. Wow, yes. The finished cooked vegetable. Wow, yes. Finished cooked. Wow, yes. The finished cooked vegetable. Wow, yes. Finished cooked. The finished cooked vegetable. Wow, yes. Finished cooked vegetable. Wow, yes. Like and subscribe. Bye now.